so excited for this today. Hello, Dev Kamal. So today's video is a surprise giveaway, and I wanted this to be a supreme surprise. That's the reason why I didn't say anything about this giveaway before. If you guys are new to my channel, basically a surprise giveaway is me giving surprise gifts to all of my subscribers and my followers. Nobody knows that they are gonna win. Nobody has participated in a contest or a giveaway. This is just a straight up secret giveaway. I pick people that have been supportive towards me, my channel, have been interactive with me on any social media or all social media. I have my channel on the notification list, so the minute I upload, they're the first ones to comment. People that have basically supported me as much as they possibly could are the people that I like to do this secret giveaway for. I have done the secret giveaway before, but this time they're going to be 20 winners, which is pretty huge compared to the secret giveaways that I have done before. A lot of people were also asking me the last time I did the secret giveaway that if somebody can win it again if they've won before, and that is a chance. Completely possible for you to win the secret giveaway in succession. About support. If you keep supporting me, if you show me love, and if you are just being nice to me, I will just keep on doing the secret giveaway and you will win the reason why I like to do secret giveaways more than usual giveaways or contests is because I feel like in a secret giveaway everybody's actions are very genuine. In a normal giveaway where you know that you're gonna get something, people might subscribe to somebody that they actually don't like, but they're subscribing just for the giveaway, which does not happen in a secret giveaway because nobody knows who's gonna win. I think those sort of giveaways and contests are okay if you're doing a video in association with somebody, because a lot of times the person that you're doing the video with might have certain rules that they want to follow. But because this contest or this giveaway is under my own control, I like to do it as genuine as possible. The way that I've picked gifts for this giveaway, I think I haven't told you guys before, but the way I picked the gifts for the secret giveaway is that I just, whatever I like, I buy and I keep it on one side, and I have like crazy amounts of, let me just show you. Okay, my courier guy takes like way long to deliver, so yeah, I'll just show you the box. Okay, this is this, oh my god, okay, this is, I don't even think you can see it, this is the box. Holy, oh my god, it's really heavy. Wait, and I lift, okay, and it's still heavy for me. So this is the huge box that has all of the secret giveaways, and I've packed them like this. So there's the green pack here, there's the yellow ones at the bottom, and there's just a lot of gifts here. And now I'm gonna put it down because it's too heavy. I think that must be like 5 kgs or more. So I will be randomly packing each gift and just sending it to whoever I think would like whatever. It's gonna be pretty random, but let us reveal the winners. I don't know what happens to me. Like, I decide before recording the video that I'm not going to be creepy, and then bam, the minute the camera starts rolling, creepy, creepy, creepy. Okay, the first person that wins the secret giveaway is Riya Haldar. Riya has always been super in terms of comments. She has always tried to have the first comment in the videos, and sometimes she does and sometimes it's not possible for her because a lot of people answer before her. But I totally understand that you do like my videos, and I really appreciate the fact that you try to comment as much as possible and try to interact with me on Twitter as well as Instagram, and I totally see the love. I just thought it would be really nice if I could give something back to you. The second person is Riya AGR. Ria comments on all of my videos, and it makes me feel really nice because all of the comments are very positive. She asks me questions all the time, and it's essentially very interactive, and I feel that she communicates a lot to me, and I just hope that Ria likes the gift that I sent her. The next person that is supremely interactive, always shares my videos on all social media, and always tries to have the first comment in the video is Yajna Saini. She has been tremendously interactive with me and has always tried to spread the Team Komal message. Has tried to be as positive as she possibly can. If you guys want to be the first person who likes my videos or comments on my videos, all you have to do is go to the home page of the channel and click on this small button that you see of notification. When you click that button, every single time that I do a new video, it is going to be notified to you, so you don't really miss out on any videos and you're the first one to comment on the videos and see the video. The fourth person is Khyati Mehra. Khyati has started to view my videos I think about 4 to 5 months, so that's when I've started to see the comments, and she has been very consistent in commenting on all the videos that I have done, and she always leaves the sweetest comments. The next is Anaida Valadares. I'm pretty sure I'm butchering her name. Anaida has always been super supportive, has always been commenting on all my videos, and she shares the love on Instagram as well. So thank you so much, Anaida. It really does make a huge difference when I see your lovely comment in all of my videos. It genuinely does. The next person is Anamata Heather. Anamata again writes the cutest comments, always interactive on my YouTube channel, always is one of the earliest commenters and always like the videos, and always is just really interactive with my channel. The next person is Mehak Gulati. Mehak has been subscribed to my channel for a very long time, and she has been commenting on my videos I think for about like more than a year now, and she is always there, always the nicest comments and always the most constructive criticism for the videos and for me. It just makes me feel nice, you know, it just makes me feel like Mehak really cares. The other person is Mehak Tiwari. Mehak again writes comments on all of my videos, always one of the people that tells me what I should do better or whatever videos that she would like to see, so that it's really good for me because I know what sort of videos I should make. Next person is Kripanjali Tellis. Kripanjali again has been commenting on my videos for a very long time, and sweet and nice and everything in the middle, and I'm just really happy to have your support. Next is Ankita Moore. Ankita is very interactive on my channel plus on my social media, and she always tries to give me new ideas of what to do. I always feel like there's a connection, you know. The next is Poonam Chaudhary. I do remember that Poonam's name was there in the last secret giveaway that I did, but it's always there simply because she again is extremely interactive. Apart from being my namesake, this next person is extremely sweet, always interactive on my channel as well as on my Instagram. She always shares my videos with as many friends as she possibly can. Mostly the initial people to comment on my channel, which means that she does have my channel on her notification list, and that is Komal Roth. Komal, another Komal appreciates you. Next person is Shrishti Sehgal. Again, supportive with her comments, with her social media presence, and just I can feel the love, so I try to reciprocate with the love. So thank you so much, Shrishti. It really does mean a lot to me. Is Shruti Gupta. Shruti has, I think, not quite recently, but I would say about like 2 or 4 months, has been following my channel. And she has been commenting and liking all of my videos, not only on YouTube but also on Twitter. So she's been following me on Twitter, and whenever I have any questions out on Twitter, she replies back very quickly, and whatever tweets I put out, she always favorites it. So I really like that, so thank you, Shruti. The next is Beauty Geek. I don't know what Beauty Geek's real name is, but I really like the fact that you support me on my channel and on my Insta and anywhere that you possibly can. I see the fact that you really show a lot of love, and I really appreciate it. And I just really hope that the gift that I send makes you feel happy as much as it makes me feel happy when you like my videos. The next person is Mehwish Akmal. Mehwish always talks to me on Snapchat. She always takes the snaps of my videos and tells me what she really likes. And she's just extremely interactive on Snapchat, plus my YouTube channel, plus Instagram. And just the love is too much. And I thought that Mehwish would also like to win a secret giveaway. Then I have Aarti Singh. Aarti has been following my Instagram ridiculously. She likes all of my posts. She's very supportive on all social media. It really means a lot to me, because if it's not for your support, I don't think I would be doing YouTube like I am doing YouTube right now. Then we have Amina Kut. Amina has been notification squad. Where you at? And I think this completely sums up Amina. It completely sums up Amina, because she is mostly always the first person to comment on my videos, and that is because she has clicked the notification button. So if you guys want to click the notification button, it's right there on top, like on the side of my channel, on this side, and it's just a small bell, so you can just press on it, and every single time my video comes live, you guys will get a notification, and you could be the first ones to comment on the video and like the video and see the video. And Amina has obviously turned on the notification. Thank you, Amina. Next is Travadis. Travadis has been there before in the secret giveaway, because she has not stopped her support since the last secret giveaway. Travadis has always supported me crazily on Twitter. Every contest I have, every comment, every single question I ask, anything on Twitter as well as my channel, she's just extremely active, and I always feel that she's genuinely interested in what I do. And that's it. Those are the secret giveaway winners. I hope everybody likes what they get, because I will be randomly sending out whatever I have already bagged. I really hope that you guys like what you get, because it really means to me that you guys understand that this is really, like, this is very important to me. I know a lot of people think that YouTube is just all about being glamorous and like getting famous and all of that, and I do this because I really like the fact that you guys and I can see eye to eye, you know. And I genuinely feel that if there's no connection on a YouTube channel, I don't really call it a YouTube channel. And I'm very happy that at least my YouTube channel has genuine people making genuine comments and are genuinely interested in the videos that I make. Yes, I hope you guys like this video, and if you didn't subscribe, by clicking on the subscribe button, and you can click on the notification button if you want to be notified every single time my video comes live. You will never lose watching any of my new videos if you click on that notification button. If you have any other questions, you can always ask me in the comments box below. If you have any other further questions, you can always ask me on all of my social media. I'm everywhere. If you have any urgent question, you can always add me on Snapchat. This is my code right here. If you click the picture of this code and add this code on your phone, you can add me on Snapchat. And then ask me all the questions that you have. That's it.